Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will look at what are keyword arguments in Python. Okay, so directly jumping into the example. So see, now I have a definition print info which takes two parameters, name and age. Okay, so I can call it by multiple banners, right? Okay, let us first call it by the default way which we do, print info. What is the first parameter? Its name. So let's keep the name as Joker and the age. Age, let us keep it 42. So what will happen here? Joker gets passed into name and 42 gets passed into the age, right? So I say name and I'm just printing the value of name and age. So let us now execute the code and see what happens. So see, the name comes as Joker and age is 42, right? So now what do you mean by keyword argument? Okay, now let us keep a different track record. So I can even say like this, name is equal to Joker and age is equal to 42. Comment this line and now let us see the output of the code. The output is same, right? Name is Joker, age is 42. Remember that this name has to match with this name. So basically what happens, name is equal to Joker. When I pass this in the function, when it gets called in the print info, it will actually match. Okay, you are passing something with the variable name. I will match it with this variable name and set that as Joker. Again, I will pass age. I will match the variable with the age here and then accordingly set the value. Now you will say, actually, why do you need this, right? So let me show that. You will say, okay, when my work was happening with as simple as this, why do I need to take the headache of what is defined in the function name and all? That's a valid argument. Now let us see the last example here. I am passing in the print info age is equal to 50 and name is equal to Mickey. Now you will say, oh, initially I required name as my first argument, but I am passing 50. 50 is not a valid name. Again, I wanted age here. Mickey is not a valid age. But since I'm making use of keyword argument, what does keyword means? It says when I'm calling the function print info, it actually takes two inputs, name and age. I am specifying age as 50, name as Mickey. Now it's your interpreter's headache to map it properly, right? So let me first comment these two lines and only execute the code like this. So here what happens, see, when I'm passing age as 50, even though age is the second parameter here and while calling age is the first parameter, the interpreter actually matches these two things. Okay, I am passing age, so this 50 is basically meant for this particular variable. Name I'm passing as second parameter while calling, but in the function definition it is the first parameter. But since I'm actually explicitly specifying the function variables, the order does not matter. Okay, now what is the use of it? So for example, let us say I am having the gender here also. So let me just duplicate this line, gender, and I'm keeping gender. So advantage here is, so gender, let's say I'm keeping, Mickey is male. If you see, let us keep it male. Oh, invalid quotes. Either use both single or both double. The advantage to the programmer now is that it does not remember it. The programmer now does not require to remember the order of this, right? With the usage of keyword variables, now you know, okay, my age is 50, my gender is male, and my name is Mickey. Whatever your order is, I don't bother. Let us run the code. See, name is Mickey, age 50, and gender is male. So advantage of keyword argument is like you need not remember the explicit order, but there are some things which you need to take care. For example, I keep the variable here as my age. Now my age does not match with any age here. So the program now will pop up an error. See, print info got an unexpected keyword argument my age. Unexpected keyword argument. So this is a keyword argument, gender is a keyword argument, name is a keyword argument. So unexpected, right? Because my age was not defined here. So two ways to fix it, either make everything here as my age, and then execute, or like the previous case, right? So this was an introduction to keyword arguments, how you can specify various keywords while passing to a function so that the programmer does not require to remember the actual order. right? That's it for this video. Thank you.